हाँ जी। थैंक यू सर जी आज आज ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਿਕਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਵੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਏ। अच्छा सौरजी जी, यू कैन रिकॉर्ड, यू हैव द एबिलिटी टू रिकॉर्ड द, अच्छा आई हैव गिवन यू द, ओके ओके ओके, आई वाज लाइक वाओ, हाउ कैन you record? That's great. Anyways, Saibhang, um, you see how Saibhang is written with the sasa and the dulava. It's called dula. Lava is one line and dulava is the two lines on top, right? So in Hindi, a and I ki matra, right? Dulava. The cool thing about Punjabi is that each matra has its own name. Onkar, Dulankar, Lama, Dulama. This is Dulama. The Dulama is, and it's Saibhang. And Saibhang is how Guru Nanak apparently pronounced Swayambhu. So it's really the same thing as Swayambhu. Swayam means self, Swayam. And what does Bhu mean? Bhu, bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti. Bhu in Sanskrit is the verb of existence. Existence. होना, होना. मैं हाँ. अहम भवामी, मैं होंदा हाँ. अ, तू होंदा है, त्वम भवसी. Bhu also means the earth, something that is in um, so Swayam Bhu is self-existent, right? Something that exists by itself. And you've heard the Swayambhu in Shiv's name, right? Shiv is called Shambhu. Shivji Shambhuji. Shiv Shambhu Maharaj. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਸ਼ੰਭੂ ਵੀ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਆਇਆ ਹੈ, ਸਵਯੰਭੂ। ਸਵਯੰਭੂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੰਭੂ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ, ਸ਼ੰਭੂ ਵੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ, ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਸਹਿਭੰਗ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ। So it's just a different way of saying the same thing. Saibhang, Swayambhu, Shambhu, um, exists. So because there was a question, hey, you didn't have a birth, you didn't have a death, then where did you come from? I came from my mother and my father, but this body, Christian has a mother and father. Mata Sulakni is the mother, Guru Nanak. But then there's another mother he talks about. He says, "So क्यों विसरे मेरी माए, साचा साहेब साचे नाए." That's a different mother. Mother. That's the mother Parvati. And you know how Parvati is important? Um, he names it. He names Parvati Ma in Japji Sahib. Parvati Mai. कहते हैं ना सी सौरजी जी की लाइन है, पार्वती माई। जपजी साहब विच आंदा है ना।
गुर ईसर गुरु गोरख वर्मा गुरु पार्वती माई।
गुर ईसर गुर गोरख बर्मा गुर पार्वती माई। गुरा एक दे बुझाई,
जी,
सबना जियां
सपना
का एक
जियो का एक
दाता,
दाता,
सो मैं विसर
बिसर
ना
ना
जाई।
जाए।
सो मैं विसर ना जाई। लेट मी नॉट फॉरगेट। So whenever we talk about a ma, we talk about the Parvati ma. पार्वती का वो दूजा नाम भगवती भी है। So when Guru Gobind Sahib talks about Guru Nanak, before that he says, oh, before remembering Guru Nanak, let's remember Bhagwati. प्रथम भगवती सिमर कै Guru Nanak lai dhyaye. Phir Angad Gur te Amardas Ramdas. All the gurus come after the Bhagavati. So the importance, what I'm saying is the importance of the one that has no birth, and it's the mix of Shiv and Parvati. And Guru Nanak talks about that. There is a mix that we come from, that that or that and that mix comes from nothing. That mix is self-existent. Swayambhu. Saibang. So when you write this, you have to imagine that, hey Vaheguru, he is, the way it is written, it literally means he is uh, self-existent. But again, in two cycles of the Mool Mantra, the pronouns change. Right? I repeat that the pronouns change. He becomes you, and then you becomes I, and you see how something that is far away comes within you. So you say he is self-existent, he is Guru Prasad, and then eventually he's sitting right in front of someone who sits right in front of you. What do you say? Tu data, तू तू मेरा पिता, तू है मेरा माता. You are sitting in front of me, right? Then he becomes तू एक ओंकार, तू गुर प्रसाद, तू स्वयंभू, right? Because he's sitting in front of you. But then eventually he gets inside of you. You said तू करता, तू हुआ, मुझ में रहा ना हूं. Then that तू becomes who? Me. And then that's when you have to say, hey, he that was Sebang, he that was self-existent. Or, oh my goodness, it's you. You're sitting right in front of me and you're giving me the lesson on how to fight in this life, Arjun says to Krishna. Or that he comes inside, and now this Krishna entity is the difference between Krishna and Arjun is Krishna remembers everything. So Arjun can become Krishna by remembering, or by Krishna telling him, look at who I am, and then remember who you are. Remember who you are. The whole process of reading these texts is to put them inside you, so you have that feeling that Arjun has in chapter 11, that where you see him. So you see the Shambhu, you see the Saibang, but only with Gur Prasad. That and why do we need the Gur Prasad in the Mool Mantar? Because of those two chits we should always carry. I am nothing and I am everything. I am nothing, I'm nothing, I'm nothing, you are everything. Until there is a Gur Prasad. And then because of the Gur Prasad, the whole pronoun changes. I was saying, you are one, you are Satnam, you are Kartapurak, you are Nirbhav, you are Nirvair, you are Ajuni, you are Sabang, you are Gur Prasad, and now I am one, I am Satnam, I am Kartapurak, I am Nirbhav, I am Nirvair, I am Ajuni, I am Sabang, and I am because of Gur Prasad, who I am. So the Gur Prasad kind of balances, just in case you were saying, oh, look, what a wonderful Krishna I am. To remind you, you are not Krishna. It's because of Krishna that you are who you are. Gur Prasad. So any comments on that? Let's go and do some reading. So the past couple of weeks we've read this Ek Onkar Sat Nam Karta Purakh Nirbhav Nirvair Akal Moorat Ajuni Saibang Gur Prasad. And because we have this Sumit ji,
हाँ जी
what does it say here?
जप
Jap. Wow, that's pretty good. You're reading Punjabi. Look at that. So if this letter was chacha, right? How would you say this? Now you know these words, so it's kind of, this is not really hard. But do you see how this is ad such, right? And this is jugad such.
अच्छा
Hanji? Look,
है
hai, and what is on the hai? What is this called? Lama or dulama?
बुलामा
Dulama. Hai P such Nanak
ओ सी
होसी भी सच
अच्छा
है जी. Tricky question. Why does this Nanak not have the little onkad? Normally, a single person should have a little onkad at the end, like Nam, Purak, Nirbhav, Nirvairu, right? Why does Nanak not have a little onkad? Nanaku.
Person doesn't have onkar.
All the nouns in Guru Granth Sahib, if they are male and singular, they have a little small u, especially if they're ending with a sound. And the reason why this is not that is it's because he's addressing Nanak. His mind is addressing Nanak. He's saying, "Oh Nanak." That's what it Sambodhan hai. Oh
तो इसलिए
Nanak, right? So that's one of those rules. Anyways, so congratulations. You have completed the first course, and now you get to repeat. Uh, you get to read every day, and so we'll help you read every day. Try to read what Swarjeet is sending out every week, and then I'll also start something. But here's a test for us. The test will be from a vak. We'll do a random shabad and we'll try to read it very, very, very slowly. Just read two lines, okay? And no one else will read except Sumit ji because he is the latest Balika Bakra. Oh my goodness, this is very tough.
I'll give it a try.
Yeah, that's fine. This is the toughest part of Bani is Sahaskriti. This is the mix of Sanskrit and Gurmukhi. But we'll try to read the first line. Guru Nanak wants you to have a tough exam.
Oh, sure, Vijay.
So let's read this. What does this mean? What does this
Hey,
say? Hey.
हे लेहा ना हे
Saibhang wala hai.
ले पहला तो लै है
No,
ले
but so the
लो
little,
लो
this is different from the A.
ओके
Remember, there's a squiggly line is O.
ओके ओके हे लो हे लोका
Saibhang wala bhabha bha. He lobha.
ओ हे लोभा ओके
He loba.
हे लोभा
हाँ जी.
लम Lampa, I don't know.
This
हाँ
is the
कभी
same
पढ़िया
as
नहीं है.
Hindi. This is the same as
Okay,
Hindi.
लंपट.
Lampat.
लम
Very
लंपट.
good. Kamal sir. Kamal Karti. Very good. Sir जी happy हो गए देखो कितने खुश हो रहे हैं. Okay, what is this?
This is Sang.
Sang. Whoa, whoa, that's awesome. सुमीत जी ਤੁਸੀਂ कमाल करता.
Uh,
No,
सिर
this is tough. Okay, so let's do just this
सिर
part. Sir.
सिर 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 मैं सिर
No, no, this is,
मैं.
remember, this is the squiggly line. Lobha,
Okay.
sir.
सिर भो सिर
No,
भोर.
no, 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 no. This is Sassa and this is Mamma.
सिर सिर मोर सिर मोर है.
हाँ, good. Sir more hai.
सिर मोर है. अनिक.
Anik. Wow. Wow, very good. Very good.
अनिक लरगी.
No, this is haha.
Oh, sorry. लहरी.
Lahari,
अनिक लहरी.
lahari.
लहरी.
लहरी भी बोल सकते हैं लहरी लहरी
लहरी.
लहरी. Wow, what is this?
I need to move the. Okay, 1 second, Viji.
हाँ जी.
This is hello.
No, no, this is kaka.
Oh, sorry. Kalol. Kalol te. Kalol te.
Kalolte, yay! Okay, let's read the whole thing. हे लोभा लंपट संग सिरमोर है अनेक लहरी कलोलते. Let's read it the whole thing. Sumi ji, go ahead.
Oh. He lola.
लोभा.
Lobha. Sorry. He lobha. Lampat. Samga.
Hmm.
Sorry. Sir bhor. Sir bhor.
Okay, so this is bhaba in Hindi, but it is mamma in
Yeah,
Punjabi.
sir more.
सिरमोर है.
Sir more. Anik.
हम्म.
Lahri. Lahri. Kalol. Kalol. Kalolte.
Kalolte, beautiful.
Yeah.
You see what we did? We said the lines again and we picked a new line, something that we had never seen before. So that's what practice is, right? Just go there and hit random and read the first whatever comes up, right? Let's try to read this. Let's have Rekha ji read this.
जीना
Good.
न
Na.
विसरे
Visray.
नाम
Good. Visray.
विसरे नाम से किलेहिया किलेहिया किलेहिया
Kinehiya.
किलेहिया
What are they
Kinehiya?
like, those who forget the name? They're like Arjun.
Oh yes, yeah.
Bhed na jano mool sai jeha. They don't know the
Jeha.
difference between me and you. Mantan hoye nihal tum sang bhetya. And when the mind body are meeting with you, O Lord, sukh paya jan prasad dukh sab metya. That's when peace is obtained and dukh, the sorrows go away when you meet Ajuni. Okay. Next one for Sara ji. Here we go.
Another one from Guru Teg Bahadur. Okay.
Oh, he's after you.
He's guiding me. Jahu, no, Jau,
Mhm.
Jahu, Suk,
Good.
Kau. That one is Chaho, no, Chahe,
Chahe. Chahe.
Chahe, Chahe, Sada,
Hey.
Sarn, or Sarni, Sarn.
Mm-hmm.
Sarn, Ram ki loh, eh? How do you read that? Loh?
No,
No,
not low. This
leh.
is the
Yeah,
A.
now I'm
You're forgetting
confusing
your
with
Hindi also.
Lehi.
Lay. Good.
Lehi.
Okay, good. Now you will tell us the meaning of this.
Okay, Jiao, Suk, Ko. So those who do something with Suk,
Yeah, good,
um,
good. Chahe
Kao,
sada. What is
Jahe
chahe?
Sada. I don't know what Sada is. Jahe
Sada is
Sada.
always. And what is chahe?
Ah, yeah, Sada. Jahe. No, Chahe. I don't know. Jesada Sarni Ram Ki Lohe. No, I don't know what it means.
Chahe.
Don't know.
कुछ चाहिए चाहे
Those who want,
हाँ good
who always want, Sarni.
no what do they want Joe, the ones who want what? Sukh.
Those want Suk. Those who always want happiness.
Those who want happiness for all the time. Yeah, good. Saran Ram ki le.
I'm just going to guess here. They only need to say the Ram name. Something
Almost
like that.
there. What is Saran? Saran.
I don't know. That sounds like surf. Like only they just need to do that. Something like that. No.
Not
Sanctuary.
siraf. No, siraf is Urdu. Saran is Thakur tum sarnai aya. What is saran?
I don't know that word.
Saran is the same thing as sanctuary. Sanctuary, saran,
Oh,
sharan.
so so they need to seek the sanctuary of Ram.
Yes. If you want ever happiness, you will seek the sanctuary of Ram. And then now Swarjit ji will read this and tell us about this.
ਕਹੋ ਨਾਨਕ ਸੁਨ ਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਦੁਰਲਭ ਮਾਨੁਖ ਦੇ
And what does this mean, Swarjit ji? Does this mean we should all become Arjun? Maybe we should have him say it in English. No, I'm joking.
Yeah, that's his exercise. We're learning. We're learning Gurmukhi. He's learning English.
Now look how excited Sara is to hear Swarjit in English. Okay.
No,
Kaho
I
nanak
understood
sun
the
re
first
mana
part.
durlabh manuk de.
Can I say what I understood?
Yes,
I understood
yes,
the first
yes.
part of that sentence. So,
Yeah.
Nanak says, "Oh, mind," and then the rest I didn't know. I don't know what he's saying. That's what she will tell me.
Listen, O mind. Durlabh manuk de. Durlabh is hard to find. Lab is to find. Oh, labda pe hai kuch. He's finding something. Durlabh is you cannot find it.
Precious.
It's hard to find. Manuk, what is manuk? Human.
human
De is what? Body. कहो नानक
this
सुन
is
रे मना दुर्लभ
दुर्लभ
मानुख दे.
मानुख दे.
He's basically saying if you have a body, you have the fortune that you can actually aspire for the sanctuary of Ram. You have this body, so you can stand at the beach and look at the sunset and remember all your lives. To round it out. It has been such an amazing pleasure to see you, and also forgive me for missing last week. We will. This is the sort of the basic course. I'm thinking of writing a book, and Sumiji, you now have to help me compile this book because
Okay.
that is the Guru Dakshina.
Okay.
So I'm writing a book where it basically teaches you how to read Mool Mantar, right? And remember the words. And I'll send you what it is, and then you read it and edit it, and that way you will revise what you've done, and you will also help me. And but the idea is to, this is just a sort of dipping your toes, right? Um, the idea is to practice. Swarjit ji, one of the things that we probably should do, asi karna hai कि we should have very simple videos of saying, uh, just saying, pronouncing two lines. ਜਿਹੜਾ
जी
ਅਸੀਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ,
जी
every week we do it.
जी जी.
If we can create a video that takes every word and highlights each word as you say it in a video,
Okay.
it will only be a video of 2 minutes. But if it's repeated 5 times,
Okay.
you can read, repeat it 5 times. That way you will meditate on that, the Guru Tegh Bahadur. So one of the things to do, and this is why Guru Tegh Bahadur came in the end, to remind you that class is all ongoing. We are reading all the shloks of Guru Tegh Bahadur. And the good thing about Guru Tegh Bahadur is his language is very easy. It's not like slok Sanskriti. You're able to read Guru Tegh Bahadur, but you can read 2 lines in a week. I would encourage you to read 2 lines in a week, but you have to read them every day, the same 2 lines. And by the third or fourth week, you will know a lot more about letters, and maybe you'll learn 3 or 4 new letters every week because you still need to explore some other letters. But having this and having Swarjit ji do some of those videos, I think we'll help you do that. Also,
So
this Mool Mantra class will sort of be a book, which eventually we'll just put it on the YouTube and anyone can do it.
I don't know, like I had a question. This went through my. So Viji, sorry, yeah. जो Wednesday दी जो गुरमुखी class हुंदी है, we can go to those recordings also because that is probably that is exactly ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਵਰਨਜੀਤ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ, right? It has 2 lines and
Right.
okay.
Right. Swarjit ji, just ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ, right? And Sara is in that class, and Rekha ji, you guys both go to that class? Or Sara is
I want to go,
maybe
but
not.
yeah, but my energy
Yeah.
has been too low. So it's like if I feel
Yeah.
good, I go. If I don't, I
So
don't. So
yeah,
kind of bit-
so yeah, all the classes except all the classes are just when you have time you can go there. I think it would be nice to have. Oh, my friend is calling. I really need to go and take this call. But continue this discussion.
Yes, Farziti, you have to practice your English.